What up, everyone? I'm singing you a song that I'm gonna be singing for Snow Week. Snow Week's gonna be a long ways, and even though it's a long ways, I'm gonna sing it out for you guys and let you guys see it early before Snow Week. Thanks, guys. Yo girl, how you doing? It's been down a minute. It's been years since you left, but I still don't get it. Sometimes I wonder how things would be like if you were still in my presence. Yo, feeling my essence, wish I could persuade you to stay the day you ran away. You were still in my heart, my tears sweat up and I'm still my pillow. We grown now, I now know what love is. I met many other girls you want me to mess with. I did graffitis, the b-boys, a tip-top event, and a hip-hop event. Anyways, how you doing? Can you show some light here? How's your life going, girl? How's your days going? And if you got a sec, can I talk to you for a bit before you leave, girl? Spoke with your cuz the other day, he probably tell you about it. He said everything wonderful about you and how I wouldn't even doubt it. I got a few questions but it might not end here. Do you still have my back when you were still my friend? I heard the way you say we were just friends. I heard it through the body but my mind don't respect it. So when you get a chance, could you double check it? And if it's true, then could you tell it to me? I'm asking too much, I should leave it out of it, but my mind's affected. I'm cursed with curiosity and I'll be here waiting for your answer. Granted at the last minute, but I hope to pass the course and leave the past with it. But I've done my share and I don't know if I could take it. Apology if I don't, and I hope that you will take it, girl.